I'm going to talk about and show you the Manicure and Pedicure Kit. It's called a refreshing Blueberry Manicure and Pedicure Kit, which I have especially curated for you, which really leaves your feet and hands refreshed and bright, and it really makes it glow and tingle. And in this manicure and pedicure kit, of course, we have no nasties, like we do not have any parabens, any artificial coloring, any artificial perfume. Everything is natural. And we have a mix of blueberry and salt, which really helps to, scrub all the impurities off. And we have the essential oils of geranium, neroli, and peppermint, which gives a zing to the feet. It helps to moisturize the feet and keeps it really good. Apart from that, we have a special brightening pack for you, which is made of clay, kaolin, and also it has jojoba oil. And it really is refreshing, brightening, and lightening. I really would recommend that you use this manicure and pedicure kit for the best results twice a month, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and it's going to give you a very refreshing experience. Now let's show you what all this kit has in it. We have a manicure and we have a pedicure kit. Okay, so there are 3 manicure and 3 pedicure kits in this. So let's start with the manicure first. It's a 6-step refreshing manicure kit. So we open it, and now let's see what we have. Everything that are in sachets. So it's really easy to use, and we have them numbered. So the first is a sanitizer, and then we have the cuticle softener, and then comes the blueberry salt, which you put in water and soak in that, and then comes the blueberry hand scrub, then the blueberry hand mask, which is left on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then comes the blueberry hand cream, which is really brightening, and it has the most refreshing and wonderful aroma in it. So this is what the manicure kit contains. And now comes the pedicure kit. In the pedicure kit, again, we have a sanitizer, which is very, very important, because you first have to sanitize the feet of the client and of course your own hands. Number 2 is the cuticle softener, which you'll use for the cuticles for your pedicure. Then we have the salt, the blueberry salt, which will, you'll use it in water. It's a soak. And then comes the foot scrub, blueberry foot scrub, which takes away all the dead cells. And then we have the blueberry foot mask, which you leave on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And last but not least is the blueberry foot cream, where you give your feet a wonderful massage, and it leaves it feeling refreshed, and you feel all the tiredness is gone from your feet.
Let's begin with the blueberry manicure. Step 1. Sanitizer. Use the sanitizer to clean your hands before you begin the manicure. With the essence of tea tree oil and aloe vera gel, this sanitizer can be used on your skin as well as to disinfect your tools. Rub the sanitizer on your hands as well as your clients to sanitize and disinfect. Step 2. Blueberry Cuticle Softener. With the goodness of beeswax and rice bran oil, this softener helps to moisturize your client's cuticles, making them ultra soft. Apply a small quantity onto the cuticles and nail folds of each finger for 10 seconds. This will help you get rid of the hard skin around the nails. Step 3. Blueberry Salt Soak. Pour the entire contents of the sachet into a small tub of warm water. This salt soak with a combination of blueberry fruit extract and geranium essential oil shields, calms, and cools the client's skin. Soak your client's hands for 5 minutes and let them relax. After you're done, wipe the nails. Push back the cuticles gently with an orange wood stick. You can cut the cuticles if necessary and wipe off any residue. Step 4. Blueberry Hand Scrub. This blend of blueberry fruit extract and sugar will soothe your client's hands and help you get rid of dead skin cells effortlessly. Apply the scrub and massage it for 3 minutes with damp finger. Clean beneath the free edge with an orange wood stick. Step 5. Blueberry Hand Mask. Derived from aloe vera and shea butter, this mask is a treat for the hands. The addition of kaolin clay helps to detan the hands. Apply the mask evenly and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off to get smooth and nourished skin. Step 6. Blueberry Hand Cream. Rub a generous amount of the cream on your client's hands for a relaxing massage and massage well for 5 minutes. It will help you calm your client's hands while improving blood circulation. Wipe it off with a hot towel. Let's start with the Blueberry Pedicure. To begin with, we start with the sanitizer. This sanitizer has the essence of tea tree oil and aloe vera gel. You can use it to sanitize your client's feet and toes as well as your hands, and also to disinfect any tools that you will be using for the procedure. Step 2. Blueberry Cuticle Softener. Apply a small quantity onto the cuticle and nail folds of each toe and leave it on for 10 seconds. With the goodness of beeswax and rice bran oil, this softener helps to moisturize the cuticles, making them ultra soft. This will help you to get rid of any hard skin around the nails to proceed with the cuticle work. Step 3. Blueberry Salt Soak. The combination of blueberry fruit extract and geranium essential oil in this salt soak will help to shield, calm and cool your client's skin. Pour the entire contents of the sachet into a small tub of warm water. Soak your client's feet for 5 minutes and let them relax. After you're done, wipe the nails. Push back the cuticles gently with an orange wood stick. Step 4. Blueberry Foot Scrub. This blend of blueberry fruit extract and sugar will soothe your client's feet and help you get rid of dead skin cells effortlessly. Apply the scrub and massage for 3 minutes with damp fingers. Make sure to get in between the toes and scrub the soles well. Clean beneath the free edge with an orange wood stick. And use a foot file to remove dead skin cells. Step 5. Blueberry Foot Mask. This mask with blueberry fruit extract and kaolin helps to clean and condition the feet easily. Apply the pack evenly and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse it off to get smooth and nourished skin. Step 6. Blueberry Foot Cream. A relaxing massage with this foot cream will help you relax your client's feet while improving blood circulation. Rub a generous amount of the cream on your client's feet and massage well for 5 minutes. Wipe off the excess with a hot towel.